So here we have this function and we want to use the chain rule to take the derivative. We want to rewrite this function into something we can use the chain rule on. So I'm gonna just transfer this square root to the power of half. And now we can see clearly what's the inside and the outside function to apply the chain rule. So again, the inside function will be between the parentheses, and the outside function will be the whole term. So that for the inside function, I will assign this to z, and then the outside function, I want to write this in term of z. So f of z will be just this, what's inside is z to the power half. Then I want to take the derivative of both. Now for this, to take the derivative of z, I need to find the derivative of e to the square root 3 plus x squared. We notice here we need to use the chain rule again for that term. So again, we have to find what's the inside function and what's the outside function. So the inside function will be the exponent and the outside will be the whole term. I will assign the inside function to u, and then I want to write the outside function in term of u. So that will be h of u, and then e to the u, since u will be the whole square. Then I want to take the derivative of both. But we notice here, we need to take the chain rule to find the derivative. So we have to determine what's the inside function and what is the outside function. So again, the outside will be the whole term, the inside will be for what's in the parentheses. So the inside will be assigned to v, and then I want to write the outside function in term of v. So that we're gonna be k of v, gonna just v to half. And then I want to take the derivative of both. That will be for k prime and v prime. I'm just using the power rule in here. And then we are ready to apply the chain rule. So again, we just multiply k prime by v prime. We simplify the two. And then I want to write substitute v in term of x. So I'm gonna see what's the value of v and plug it there. And this, what we got in here, it's for u prime. So we have to keep track of what we have done and what's derivative we are taking. So u prime will be that function. Now, since we found u prime and h prime, we can apply the chain rule in here. So we will multiply both of them together. So it'll be e prime multiplied by x over the square root of 3 plus x squared. And then I want to substitute the value of u, so we have the derivative in terms of x. So u, we just go back to the value of u and we write it down. Just also ordering in here. So now what I did is that after I found the chain rule of this, now we have to go back again to find z, since we have now the derivative of what we did now is just this term. So now we can find the derivative of z. So again, derivative of 1 will be just 0, and then I'm plugging the values from what we found in the previous step. Now, since we have f prime and z prime, we can apply the chain rule to find the derivative of the given example. So I'm just writing the given function. We want to take the derivative of that, and this will be just the multiple of f prime and then z prime. Now I want to write this in terms of x, so I'm gonna look to the value of z and plug it here. And that should be our answer.